Please subscribe our channel. Convulsion with fever. Belladonna. Convulsion without fever. Magnesium phosphoricum. Convulsion after fright. Opium and hyoscyamus. Convulsion after anger. Chamomilla and Nux vomica. Toothache aggravation smoking. Spigelia. Toothache aggravation tea. Tuja. Desire light and company. Stramonium. Desire dark and solitude. Coca. Cough during daytime. Euphrasia and Ferromet. Craving for apple. Guaicum, tellurium, aloes and antimonium tartaricum. Sausage digit is seen in rheumatoid arthritis, psoriatic arthritis, juvenile idiopathic arthritis, osteoarthritis. Answer: psoriatic arthritis. Lipogranulomatous inflammation is seen in fungal infection, tuberculosis, calacion, viral infection. Answer: calacion. Which of the following inflammatory condition has 90% association with HLA-B27? Ankylosing spondylitis, psoriasis, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis. Answer: ankylosing spondylitis. Excitofacial nerve from the skull. Foramen ovale, foramen rotundum, jugular foramen, stylomastoid foramen. Answer: stylomastoid foramen. ECG changes in hypokalemia. Tall T wave, short QRS interval, depressed ST segment, absent P wave. Answer: depressed ST segment. Kussmaul sign is most commonly seen in restrictive cardiomyopathy, constrictive pericarditis, right ventricular infarct, pericardial tamponade. Answer: constrictive pericarditis. The pituitary gland in human body is attached to the pineal stalk of diencephalon, infundibulum of diencephalon, optic lobe, olfactory lobe. Answer: infundibulum of diencephalon. Dwarfism is caused due to hyposecretion of pituitary, thyroid, parathyroid, adrenal. Answer: pituitary. Primary visual cortex is present in frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe. Answer: occipital lobe. Colles fracture refers to the fracture of radius, ulna, humerus, olecranon. Answer: radius. Bruised feeling as if broken all over the body. Medicines are arnica, bellis perennis, pyrogen, and eupatorium. Pain comes suddenly and goes suddenly. Belladonna, magnesium phos, and eupatorium. Cough during daytime. Ferromate, natramure, and euphrasia. Least contradiction angers. Anacardium, cocculus, ignatia, and ferrometallicum. Slight noises like crackling of paper drive him to despair. Asarum europeum, tarantula, and ferrometallicum. Vertigo on descending. Borax, zanicula, and ferromete. Bad effects from having the hair cut. Belladonna, aconite, and glonoinum. Great aversion to being alone. Arsenicum album, bismuthum, lycopodium, and calicarbonicum. Middle of lower lip cracked. Ammonium carb, natrum muriaticum, and hepar sulf. Headache, as if a nail was driven out through the side, relieved by lying on it. Coffea cruda, Nux vomica, thuja, and ignatia. Motor neurons of spinal cord is unipolar cells, multipolar cells, bipolar cells, and pseudo-unipolar cells. Correct answer is multipolar cells. Which type of joints is found in knee and elbow? Ball and socket joint, pivot joint, hinge joint, and none of these. Answer: hinge joint. Ovarian artery is a branch of abdominal aorta, internal iliac artery, external iliac artery, inferior mesenteric artery. Correct answer is abdominal aorta. Loss of milk while nursing without any known cause. Lac defloratum, lac caninum, both, and none of these. Answer: lac caninum. The term organon was first used by Hippocrates, Aristotle, Galen, and Bacon. Answer: Aristotle. Symptomatic treatment is antipathy, allopathy, homeopathy, and isopathy. Correct answer is antipathy. Sensation as if a ball rolling in the bladder. Cannabis indica, cannabis sativa, lachesis, and all of the above. Answer: lachesis. Placental supply of glucose to the fetus by active transport, simple diffusion, facilitated diffusion, and endocytosis. Answer: facilitated diffusion. The word rubric is derived from Greek, Latin, French, and German. Answer: Latin. Father of Pharmacopoeia: Caspary, Valerius Cordus, Babu Rajendralal Datta, Dr. B.K. Sarkar. Correct answer is Valerius Cordus. The best marker for hyperthyroidism: T3, T4, TSH, calcitonin. Correct answer is TSH. Most common viral infection in kidney: Epstein-Barr virus, cytomegalovirus, hepatitis B virus, herpes simplex virus. Answer: cytomegalovirus. In early months of pregnancy, can lie comfortably only in stomach: pulsatilla, acetic acidum, plumbum-met, platinum. Answer: acetic acidum. Tumor secreting placental alkaline phosphatase is carcinoid tumor, granulosa cell tumor, dysgerminoma, and all of the above. Answer: dysgerminoma. True pelvis is also known as android pelvis, platypelloid pelvis, gynecoid pelvis, anthropoid pelvis. Answer: gynecoid pelvis. Commonest cause of death in a patient with primary amyloidosis: renal failure, cardiac involvement, respiratory failure, none of these. Answer: cardiac involvement. One of the best remedy with is to begin the treatment of a chronic case: calcarea car, sulfur, pulsatilla, all of the above. Answer: all of the above. Which potency has been introduced by Dr. Hahnemann in 6th edition of Organon? Cm, 10m, 50 millismol potency. Answer: 50 millismol potency. Delirium alternating with colic: podophyllum, plumbum metallicum, hyoscyamus, belladonna. Answer: plumbum met. First metacarpal joint is hinge joint, saddle joint, ellipsoid joint, ball and socket joint. Answer: saddle joint. Scabies is caused by ticks, mites, flea, bugs. Correct answer is mites. Universal donor blood group is A, O, AB, B. Answer: O group. Eustachian tube opens into external ear, middle ear, internal ear, none of these. Answer: middle ear. Mitral valve in heart has no cusp, two cusp, three cusp, and four cusp. Correct answer: two cusp. Unable to breathe well or is chilly in warm room: pulsatilla, natron self, restox, arsenicum album. Correct answer is pulsatilla. Fever after overexertion belongs to acute sporadic disease, acute epidemic disease, acute individual disease, acute endemic disease. Answer: acute individual disease. Modus operandi introduced in which edition of Organon? First edition, 6th edition, 4th edition, and 5th edition. Answer: Fourth edition. Muscular atrophy from sclerosis of spinal system, rota, plumbum met, syphilinum, and tuberculinum. Answer: plumbum met. Uncommon mental activity, cannot stop thinking. Pork root, calabar bean, marking nut, ping root. Answer: calabar bean. Most common peripheral nerve affected in leprosy: radial nerve, ulnar nerve, median nerve, and none of these. Answer: ulnar nerve. Thank you. Convulsion with consciousness, Nexvomica and Stramonium. Convulsion without consciousness, Hyoscyamus and Belladonna. Diarrhea before and during menses, Ammonium carp, Veratrum album, Bovista. Constipation before and during menses, Silesia. Time passes too quickly, Cocculus, Pteridion. Time passes too slowly, Argentum nitricum, Cannabis indica, Nux moscata, Medorinum, and Alumina. Vertigo. Vertigo on closing eyes, Lachesis, Thuja, Pteridion. Vertigo on opening eyes, Tabacum. Vertigo from looking upward, Pulsatilla and Silesia. Vertigo from looking downward, Spigelia and Calmia. Vertigo aggravation lying, Rustox. Desire company, Bismuthum, Calicar, Lycopodium, Lilium tick. Aversion company, Ignatia, Natramure, Gelsemium. Aggravation, thinking of complaints, Baryta carp, Calcaria fos, Gelsemium, Helonius, and oxalic acidum. Amelioration, thinking of complaints, Camphor and Helleborus. Please subscribe our channel. Press bell icon to get continued